Welcome to Explorer Archive. Can we begin to imagine a planet in the universe that is many billion years older than Earth? Is it a possible thought? Well, yes. In May 2020, deep in the soils of the Sahara Desert, precisely in Algeria, a meteorite was found. The meteorite, called Erg Chech 002, was found near Bir Ben Takoul, southern Algeria, by meteor hunters. Erg Chech 002 is said to be 20 million years older than the planet Earth. The meteorite is a fragment of a protoplanet. It existed over 4.565 billion years ago. Erg Chech 002 is a rare sight to behold. It is a meteorite that lacks a fusion crust. It has a relatively coarse-grained, tan, and beige appearance with sporadic studs of crystals of larger green, yellow-green, and few yellow-brown crystals, according to the Lunar and Planetary Institution. It has a mass, or combined weight, of 31.78 kilograms. Want to hear more? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification as we move forward. Plate tectonics have since destroyed the oldest rocks from the Earth's crust. Hence, scientists do not have enough information on how the Earth crust evolved before 3.5 billion years ago. However, meteorites can come from asteroid crusts, which are old enough and similar to the age of the solar system. The newest of such meteorites is meteorite Erg Chech 002. Jean-Alex Barat, a geochemist, studied it. Employing different geochemical techniques, Jean-Alex Barat of the University of Western Brittany and his colleagues found that Erg Chech 002 had a unique chemical composition. They also found that the meteorite is 4.565 billion years old, making it the oldest known volcanic rock on Earth. The meteorite Erg Chech 002 findings suggest that it was probably part of the crust of an ancient protoplanet. It means that a part of the crust of this protoplanet broke up early in the solar system's past. Erg Chech 002 is unique and does not look like any known asteroid. The uniqueness of Erg Chech 002 indicates that almost all of these bodies have either disappeared by forming the building blocks of larger bodies such as planets or have been destroyed. The kind of protoplanet Erg Chech 002 came from probably provided raw materials combined for the growth of terrestrial planets such as the planet Earth. Also, radioactive isotopes, aluminum, and magnesium content indicated that the Erg Chech 002 meteorite originated in an ancient celestial body, which could be a protoplanet. The solar system is only 2 million years older than the meteorite Erg Chech 002. It means that when the meteorite was formed, the solar system was in its first million years. So far, there are about 6,500 meteorites documented on planet Earth. Out of this number, around 4,000 contain differentiated matter. It means that they probably came from celestial bodies that are large enough to have experienced tectonic activity. Scientists have identified 95% of the 4,000 meteorites containing differentiated matter as coming from just 2 asteroids. Erg Chech 002 is a rare meteorite, part of the remaining 5% of the 4,000 meteorites containing differentiated matter. Previously found meteorites contain volcanic rocks called basalt, or originated from sources with basaltic crusts due to rapidly cooled iron and magnesium-rich lava. But Erg Chech 002 is different. It is composed of andesite, rich in silica, which has rarely been seen in meteorites. On the uniqueness of the meteorite Erg Chech 002, Jean-Alex Barat said, "I have been working on meteorites for more than 20 years now, and this is possibly the most fantastic new meteorite I have ever seen." The geochemist Jean-Alex Barat said that the rock was thrown into space. Erg Chech 002 is volcanic in origin, and that means it was part of the crust of the protoplanet it originated from rather than its core. Some lava must have accumulated on the protoplanet's surface due to the heat of its aluminum core. The crust that contained the meteorite solidified briefly, and then some violent force cast it asunder. The fragments from the crust of this protoplanet are scattered, and Erg Chech 002 is just one of the fragments. The geochemist Jean-Alex Barat, who led the study, said that the rock might have stayed in the desert for about 100 years undisturbed until it was found in May 2020. Having said it all about Erg Chech 002, then comes the biggest question. Why are scientists finding such a precious meteorite only now? Meteorites are not easily found. They are often challenging to find and may even be confused with an ordinary rock. Finding meteorites around the world can be time and money consuming for scientists. As a result, meteorites are expensive, and finding them has become an occupation for many people. These people are called meteor hunters. Meteor hunters search for meteorites and sell them to buyers, mainly scientists, to research them. However, meteor hunting is not legally regulated. Hence, it is illegal in many parts of the world. It is a dangerous venture that could put these meteor hunters on the edge of death. But even so, meteor hunters are responsible for more than 95% of all meteorites found in the world. They go all out in search of these billion-years-old rocks. A famous meteor hunter, Michael Farmer, has been hunting meteorites for more than 20 years of his life. He had faced numerous challenges in his profession, including when he was put behind bars for 3 months because of hunting meteorites illegally. On some occasions, Michael Farmer has been kidnapped and had to pay vast sums of money to be released by the kidnappers. He has, on other occasions, also been banned from entering some countries. Michael and other meteor hunters make millions of dollars in the profession of collecting meteorites, probably why they would risk everything to find meteorites. Experts say that crusts from some protoplanets were likely not able to become planets during the solar system's birth period. Hence, they were either destroyed or fused or absorbed by more giant and rocky planets such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, leaving fragments behind, one of which could be the Erg Chech 002 meteorite older than the planet Earth. Are you still having some doubts at this point of the video? Let us know in the comments and we will be of help to explain things to you for better understanding. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.